Hi guys, this is Mallika Jolly, a professional makeup artist. Today I will be showing you a few interesting makeup routines that are trending across the globe. So keep watching. 2020 is not as we expected, but makeup is fun, isn't it? And we don't need a reason for it. So make use of this time at home and try new trends to see what works best for you while perfecting the art of makeup. Let's start with the first trend. If you don't already use blush as a part of your makeup routine, then it's time to start now because flushed cheeks are in vogue. If you're someone who likes a natural flush, you can opt for a cream or liquid highlighter like the one I've used right now. And if you don't mind an intense color, then you can go ahead and use a powder blush. I will now be showing you how to do the over-the-top blush look using the L'Oreal powder blush. Don't wear your blush only on the apple of your cheeks. Add a touch of extra blush along your cheekbones, blending it out towards your temples and some underneath your brow bones to give yourself a pretty overall flush. You don't always have to go bold with your lip color to make a statement. The subtle lip stain is another trend for you ladies, which gives the lip a dreamy look and it is low maintenance as well. I personally love to wear all my bold shades in this particular way. Apply very little of your foundation all over the lips to blend the lip line and remove any discoloration. Next, use a matte lip balm over it. For the lip stain, I'm using the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Dance With Me. Apply it to the center of the lips and using a small fluffy brush, blend it outwards and then smudge it with your finger. You could let this be matte or add a little lip gloss. For all the lovers of the classic red lipstick, it's time to slay with a bright pink one instead. Use a lip liner to line and fill in the lips. Next, use your favorite shade of bright pink lipstick. Opting for a hot pink with blue undertones normally looks good on everyone. Use a dewy or shiny finish instead of the matte to complete the trendy look, unless matte is your way to go. This was once a go-to look for every 80s icon. Love it or hate it, blue eyes are officially back. I will be using the Bollyglow's blue kajal and eyeliner to enhance my upper and lower lash line. You can line your lower lashes with either the same color or a lighter shade as compared to the one used on top. So these were a few of my favorite quick makeup trends. You can complete these looks with a fresh dewy highlighted skin and filled brows. Until next time, take care and stay safe, but also stay trendy, stay beautiful.